Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I hope you're having a good day wherever you're listening from.
Hi, everyone. We're very happy you're here with us today.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing really well. I have my coffee, I'm comfortable, and I'm ready for a good conversation.
Coffee first, conversation second.
Exactly. That's the rule.
Well, today's episode is going to be a little different because we're not focusing on one perfect topic.
Right. Today, we're just going to talk.
Like two friends catching up after a long week.
And honestly, I think that's one of the best ways to practice English.
I agree, because real conversations don't always follow a lesson.
Exactly. You talk about work, something funny that happened, your plans, your problems.
And sometimes things go completely wrong.
Which apparently happened to both of us this week.
Oh, yes.
I can already tell you have a story.
I definitely have a story.
Before we get into it, though, everyone listening, try something today.
Don't worry about understanding every single word.
Just relax and follow the conversation.
Listen to how we ask questions, react to each other, and tell stories naturally.
And if you hear a useful phrase, try saying it out loud.
That's how you turn listening practice into speaking practice.
Exactly.
And if you enjoy learning English with conversations like this, subscribe and join us for the next one too.
Okay, now I'm curious.
About what?
Your story.
Oh, right.
You said something went wrong this week.
Something definitely went wrong.
Work?
Work.
I knew it.
Why did you say it like that?
Because every time you say I have a story, somehow your office is involved.
That's actually true.
So what happened?
Okay, Monday morning started normally. I got to work, opened my laptop, checked my emails.
Sounds peaceful so far.
Very peaceful.
Which means something terrible is coming.
Not terrible, but definitely uncomfortable.
Okay, go on.
Around 10, my manager called everyone into the meeting room.
Uh-oh.
Exactly.
Whenever someone says, "Can everyone come to the meeting room?" I immediately feel nervous.
Even when you haven't done anything wrong?
Especially when I haven't done anything wrong.
Why?
Because then I start wondering, wait, did I do something wrong and forget?
That's such an overthinker thing to say.
I know.
Anyway, our manager told us we had a new client.
That's good news.
It is, but there was one problem.
Of course there was.
The client wanted the first version of the project by Friday.
Friday?
Friday.
And this happened on Monday?
Yep,
That's not much time at all.
exactly. Everyone looked at each other like,
Are we supposed to sleep this week?
pretty much.
What kind of project was it?
A presentation for a new product launch. We needed the design, the written content, some research, and a complete presentation.
In 5 days?
In 5 days.
Okay, now I understand the stress.
At first, everything was fine. We divided the work between everyone.
That's smart.
Yeah, one person handled the research, another person worked on the writing, and 2 people worked on the design.
Let me guess, the 2 designers didn't agree.
How did you know?
Because otherwise the story would be very boring.
Fair point. So what happened? One of them wanted a very simple design.
Okay,
Clean background, short text, simple images, nothing complicated.
that sounds nice.
It did, but the other designer wanted something completely different.
Let me guess, animations everywhere?
Animations, different colors, lots of graphics, different fonts,
Oh no,
and a video on almost every other slide.
that's a lot.
Exactly.
So what did the first designer say?
Well,
Why are you smiling?
because this is where things became awkward.
Tell me.
He looked at the design and said, "This is way too much. We don't have time for all of this."
Oof.
Yeah,
The message isn't necessarily wrong,
right?
but the way he said it sounds a little harsh.
Exactly, and that's something English learners should notice too.
Yes, sometimes your grammar can be completely correct, but your sentence can still sound unfriendly.
That's such an important point.
For example, imagine someone shows you their idea and you say, "This is bad."
Very direct.
Instead, you could say, "I like the idea, but maybe we could simplify it."
Much better.
Same basic message.
Completely different feeling.
Exactly.
Unfortunately, he didn't say it like that,
I guessed.
and she became really quiet.
Oh no.
You know when someone says, "I'm fine"?
But they are absolutely not fine?
Exactly. What did she say?
Just, okay.
One word, okay?
One word, okay.
That's dangerous. Why is one word okay dangerous?
Because there are different kinds of okay. There's happy okay,
Okay,
there's normal okay,
okay.
and then there's okay.
Oh, that one.
That one means this conversation is over, but this problem is definitely not over.
That's exactly the okay she gave us.
What happened after that?
We went back to our desks.
And?
Silence.
Complete silence?
Complete silence.
That's so uncomfortable.
And guess where my desk is?
No.
Yes.
Between them?
Directly between them.
You were trapped.
I was sitting there thinking, please somebody say something.
Did you try to start a conversation?
I almost did.
Almost?
I opened my mouth.
And?
Then I decided I suddenly had a very important email to read.
Coward.
Hey.
I'm joking.
Honestly, I didn't want to make things worse.
That's understandable.
But after about 20 minutes, I couldn't take the silence anymore.
So what did you do?
I stood up and said, does anyone want coffee?
Ah.
And suddenly,
Everybody became friends again?
not that quickly.
Okay.
But they both said yes.
That's progress.
So we walked to the little cafe downstairs.
All three of you?
All three of us.
Was the walk awkward?
Extremely.
Nobody smoke?
For the first 30 seconds, no.
30 seconds can feel like 30 minutes when nobody's talking.
Exactly. So who spoke first? I did.
What did you say?
So, nice weather today.
No.
I panicked.
You used the oldest small talk trick in the world.
And you know what?
What?
It worked.
Seriously?
She laughed.
Why?
Because it was raining heavily outside.
Okay, that's actually funny.
And once she laughed, the tension dropped a little.
That's a useful phrase, everyone. The tension dropped.
It means the situation became less uncomfortable or stressful.
Exactly.
And while we were waiting for our coffee, he finally turned to her and said, hey, I think I sounded too harsh earlier.
That's good.
Then he said, I wasn't trying to criticize your work, I'm just worried about the deadline.
See, that's so much better.
And she explained that she had spent hours working on the idea, so when he rejected it immediately, she felt like all that work meant nothing.
That makes sense too.
Exactly, and that's when I realized something.
What?
They weren't really fighting about the design. They were reacting to different pressures.
Ah, he was worried about time.
Right.
And she was worried that her effort wasn't being respected.
Exactly. That's actually very common.
It is. Sometimes we're arguing about one thing, but the real problem is something underneath it.
And sometimes a calm conversation can fix it.
So did they find a solution?
They did.
What was it?
We kept the simple design but added 2 of her creative ideas.
Perfect compromise.
That's another useful word, compromise.
A compromise is when both sides change something so they can reach an agreement.
Exactly. Nobody gets 100% of what they originally wanted.
But everyone gets something.
Right. And most importantly, nobody has to sit in angry silence.
Especially when I'm sitting between them. So really, this entire problem was about protecting you.
Finally, someone understands.
You're welcome.
But honestly, it reminded me of something important about speaking English too.
What's that?
Being understood isn't only about knowing the correct words.
Absolutely.
Your tone matters.
Your timing matters.
And sometimes a softer phrase works much better than a very direct one.
So instead of, that's a bad idea,
Try, I'm not sure that will work. What if we try this?
instead of, you're wrong,
Try, I see it a little differently.
and instead of, this is too complicated,
Could we make this a little simpler?
those are phrases you can actually use at work, at school, or even with friends.
Exactly.
Okay, your office drama had a happy ending.
Thankfully.
But
But what?
I think my story might beat yours.
Really?
Definitely.
Is it another work problem?
Nope.
Family drama?
Nope.
Bad date?
No.
Then what happened?
Let's just say it involved my friend,
Okay.
a suitcase,
Uh-oh.
and enough clothes for approximately 3 months.
Oh, I need to hear this.
Trust me, you do.
Okay, start from the beginning. What happened?
Last night, my friend Mia called me around 7 p.m.
7 in the evening? That's usually when people are relaxing.
Exactly. But she definitely wasn't relaxing.
Let me guess, she sounded stressed?
Very stressed. She said, Rose, can you please come over? I have a tiny emergency.
A tiny emergency. Those are usually the biggest ones.
That's exactly what I thought.
So what was the emergency?
She was packing for her vacation.
Oh, that doesn't sound too bad.
Wait until you hear the rest.
I'm listening.
When I walked into her apartment, I honestly thought I had entered a clothing store.
Seriously?
Clothes were everywhere.
Everywhere.
On the bed,
Okay.
On the chair,
Mm-hmm.
on the floor,
Oh, no.
even hanging on the doorknob.
Oh, that's impressive.
And in the middle of all that mess,
Let me guess, your friend looked completely confused.
exactly. She looked at me and said, "My suitcase is too small."
Was the suitcase actually small?
Not at all.
Then what was the real problem?
She was trying to pack for a 5-day trip
5 days.
with enough clothes for 3 months.
That's a small detail.
She packed 8 pairs of jeans,
8.
9 t-shirts,
Wow.
4 jackets,
4 jackets?
and don't even ask me about the shoes.
Uh-oh, how many pairs?
11.
11 pairs of shoes?
Yes.
Rose, was she moving to another country?
That's exactly what I asked her.
What did she say?
She said, "But what if I need different shoes for different outfits?"
That's classic.
Then she pointed at every pair and gave each one a special reason.
Let me hear them.
Walking shoes,
Reasonable.
running shoes,
Okay.
dinner shoes,
Sure.
beach sandals,
Makes sense.
backup sneakers,
Backup?
fancy heels,
Oh boy.
and just-in-case shoes.
Just in case shoes?
Apparently, they're very important.
I think your friend just likes shopping.
I think you're right.
So what did you do?
I told her to stop packing for a minute.
Good idea.
We sat on the floor, took a deep breath, and started over.
That sounds much smarter.
First, I asked one simple question.
Which was?
What's the weather going to be like?
Ah, that's the first thing people should check.
Exactly.
Did she check it?
Nope.
Of course not.
She packed first.
And planned later.
Exactly.
That's something a lot of people do.
Once we checked the forecast,
What did it say?
warm days, cool evenings, and only 1 day of rain.
Which means
Half of those jackets immediately went back into the closet.
progress already.
Then I showed her another packing trick that changed everything.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, now I'm curious.
And that's where the real packing magic started.
Wait,
What?
don't tell me yet.
Why not?
Because I think that's the perfect place to continue our conversation.
You're right.
In the next part, Rose is going to show us the packing trick that saved the entire suitcase.
Trust me, it's much easier than people think.
Stay with us.
Now let's start.
All right, Caleb, are you ready for the packing secret?
I've been waiting for this.
Good, because it's so simple that most people don't believe it works.
Now I'm even more curious.
I told Mia, don't fold your clothes.
Wait, don't fold them?
Nope.
Then what should you do?
Roll them.
Roll them.
Exactly. Roll each t-shirt, pair of jeans, and sweater into a tight little roll.
Like making a burrito?
Yes, tiny clothing burritos.
I never thought of that.
Most people don't, but it saves a surprising amount of space.
Does it really make that much difference?
Absolutely.
Did you show Mia?
Of course.
And?
We unpacked everything and started rolling each item one by one.
That sounds like a lot of work.
It only took about 15 minutes.
That's not bad at all.
And when we finished,
Tell me.
everything fit inside the suitcase.
No way.
Even better,
There's more?
we still had empty space.
Empty space? That's impossible.
That's exactly what Mia said.
I would have said the same thing.
She looked at the suitcase, looked at me, then looked back at the suitcase.
She couldn't believe it?
Not at all.
I love moments like that.
Then I gave her another tip.
Oh, another one?
Never fill your suitcase completely.
Really? Why not?
Think about it.
Hmm,
When you travel, you usually buy something.
that's true.
Maybe chocolates,
Definitely.
a souvenir,
Always.
a new t-shirt,
Guilty.
or a gift for your family.
Good point.
If your suitcase is already full,
You have nowhere to put the new things.
exactly.
I learned that the hard way.
Really?
A few months ago, I bought some local snacks during a trip.
Nice.
but my suitcase was completely full.
Uh-oh.
I ended up wearing my thick jacket at the airport just to make room in my luggage.
That's actually a smart solution.
Smart, but very hot.
I can imagine.
Did Mia finally finish packing?
Yes,
Was she happy?
very happy.
What did she say?
She smiled and said, "Rose, I don't know how you did that."
And what did you tell her?
I said, "It's not magic.
No?
It's just planning before packing."
I like that.
A few simple habits can save a lot of stress.
That's true for almost everything in life.
Exactly.
Whether it's solving problems at work,
Or packing for a vacation.
stay calm,
Think first.
and don't panic.
That's the secret.
You know what?
What?
Today's conversation reminded me of something important.
What's that?
Most problems aren't as big as they seem.
I completely agree.
Sometimes all we need is a different way of looking at the situation.
Exactly.
And maybe
Yes,
a good friend to help.
I couldn't have said it better myself.
Before we finish today's episode, we have a question for everyone watching.
We'd love to hear your answer in the comments.
What's one thing you always pack when you travel?
And what's the funniest packing mistake you've ever made?
Share your story below.
We read every comment and we love hearing your experiences.
If today's conversation helped you practice English,
Please give this video a like.
subscribe to English with Rove Me for more real English conversations every week.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
Take care,
Keep practicing.
and we'll see you in the next conversation.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.